All right, we have a possible sell right here.
Order filled.
This is 1 minute NQ. This will be my very first trade of the day. Starting later than usual, the market in New York has already opened. Ultimate AI Pro is the system and indicators.
Stop filled.
All right, stopped out here. There could be some more downside to this move, but I am up 800 on that first move. And it's continuing on down. All right, so the open was back here, 630 here. We had a nice move here. I didn't take any of these great signals. All great signals. I had to show up late after the market had already opened. And this is my first trade. What a beauty. It's still going. I mean, the signals are spot on. You can see that right here. They stay on the chart. So let's see if we can reach our goal of $1,000 this morning. Got out just a little early on this trade here as it bounced. That's fine because there will be more. If you're interested in this sort of thing, like and subscribe to our channel. I put videos out a couple times a week, or at least once a week. Got a really great Slack chat community for all our members. And our members even put on Zoom meetings on Sundays.
Order submitted.
Possible buy and a buy line right there.
Order filled. Stop filled.
It went right up into the ultimate zone and bounced off. That's what
Order
is
submitted.
tricky about buying right into the ultimate zone here.
Order filled.
Let's try it again.
Stop filled.
All right. Again, it struggles with the ultimate zone here. So I took it twice, scalped a little
Order
bit.
submitted.
I'll take a breakout of the signal candle if that happens.
Order filled.
Hopefully it'll break through with some force. Like that. Once it breaks through, it should have a little more force to move. Don't forget to check the links in the description.
Stop filled.
All right, goal of the day has already been met. Two beautiful moves, two beautiful signals. I just can't make it any easier. Like and subscribe if you are into this sort of thing. We have a great membership Slack channel where all the traders get together and chat, talk about systems and stuff. We have Zoom meetings on Sunday nights. We record them all so you can go back and watch them. Best system right here for scalping, hands down, Ultimate AI Pro.